Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 ways that Windows RT is better than full Windows. Now I've actually been wanting to make this video for a long time, but I've refrained myself because there's so many heated opinions about Windows RT and Windows, and they think Windows RT is an inferior operating system. It's just like regular Windows, but you can't install programs. And so what's the point? Why is Windows RT better? And they just don't get it. So I'm going to show not just one reason why Windows RT is better, but 5 reasons why Windows RT is better than full Windows. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the top 5 reasons, and then at the very end I'll have a little bit more discussion. Okay, so let's start at number 5. Windows RT is better than full Windows because you can get a lot of battery life out of your Windows RT device. Okay, so what I have here is a Microsoft Surface 2 with Windows RT, and I recently made a video which you can check out on my YouTube channel showing this thing getting over 12 hours of battery life with a continuous movie playing. Okay, 12 hours of battery life. Not only that, but when you attach the power cover, which is a keyboard that has a little battery in it, this thing gets over 20 hours of battery life, and you can see that in the time-lapse video that I made. Okay, 20 hours of battery life. You can't even get close to that with a full Windows device. And on a full Windows device where you approach that kind of battery life, honestly, from my experience, those devices are very slow. Okay, they're extremely slow. They're not as smooth and buttery as Windows RT is. Okay, so you're sacrificing a lot when you have a low power device like that. But even those low power devices, they don't even get anywhere close to 12 hours. So the number 4 reason that Windows RT is better than full Windows is because you get free Microsoft Office. Okay, that is really cool. So you get Word. This is the full version of Word. You've got Excel in all of its glory. You've got PowerPoint. You've got OneNote. Okay, and you've also got Outlook. Okay, this is not some watered down version of Outlook. This is a legitimate version of Outlook. Okay, these are what you would expect to see on a full device. Okay, free Microsoft Office. It costs a lot of money, several $100s for Office, and you are getting all of that for free on Windows RT. Not only that, but it's important to know that this version of Office, from what I've heard, will stay updated. So let's say 2 years from now, when a new version of Office comes out, it'll be automatically updated, so you don't have to buy the new version. So you'll always have the most current version of Office. Okay, so the number 3 reason why Windows RT is better than full Windows is because it's an appliance. And now what I mean by that is that they're not delicate, they're not fragile, they're not complicated, they're just simple. It doesn't crash, it doesn't do weird stuff in the background that you don't know what it's doing, it doesn't like overheat, or it's an appliance. You use it every day, it's easy to pick up, you're not intimidated by it, it works. Okay, so the number 2 reason that Windows RT is better than full Windows is because it turns on and off so quickly. Okay, in this I can turn it off, and I can turn it on, and I can turn it off, and I can turn it on. If you're familiar with full Windows devices, you just can't do that, okay? And I can be doing stuff, okay? Let's go ahead and open up a few things. While that's opening, I'm just gonna turn it off, all right? Now I'm gonna turn it on again, and boom, everything's still there, okay? Everything is still happening. It doesn't go into hibernate or any of this weird stuff where it takes so long to boot up. No, it's on when you need it on, instantly. It's off when you need it off. It doesn't matter what's running in the background. When you turn it off, it's off. Sometimes I've got lots of things open. I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm on the bus, and suddenly I'll need to get off the bus. Boom. I just turn it off, and it's there. It's saved for me for later. It uses 0 battery. I turn it on, and I resume right where I left off. Okay, so the instant on and on, it seems like something small, but full Windows just can't do that. And it makes Windows RT that much more usable, that much more friendly. It seems like something small, but to me it's huge and it really transforms the experience. Okay, so now we're down to number 1, the grand finale. The number 1 reason Windows RT is better than full Windows is it does not get viruses. It does not get viruses. Okay, that is so cool. So when you're surfing the web, and let me just show you an example, okay? If you're smart and you know what you're doing, you'll know not to click on that green button or that flashing button or stuff, okay? Now, Windows RT takes away all that worry, okay? Let me just click on this green button and see what happens. Okay, now click your download country. Okay, I'm in America, so let's go ahead and click America. Then this stuff comes up, you click run, right? Let's see what happens. Error. You can't run it, alright? No viruses allowed. It can't even run, okay? It's not that it's blocked. No, it's not this blocked. It can't even run. The chip inside Windows RT devices won't even allow the viruses to run. It's impossible. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no viruses. That's kind of how I feel. Like you're immune. You can go anywhere. You can click on whatever green button you want. You don't have to worry about what email you're opening or what ad you're clicking on, or somebody from Facebook or Twitter sent you a link and you're not sure if it's legitimate or not. Click on it. Click on it because you're immune. You are invincible. That is the number 1 reason why Windows RT is so awesome compared to regular Windows. There's no viruses, okay? That is cool. That is really, really cool. Alright, so there you have it. The top 5 reasons why Windows RT is better than full Windows. Now, one of the reasons I really struggled with making this video is because I believe Windows RT shouldn't be compared to full Windows. It's a mobile operating system, but because it looks like Windows, it acts like Windows, so it's natural to want to compare it to full Windows, which is why I made this video. One big misconception is that Windows RT is locked down, so you can't install regular applications, and that's actually not the case at all. It's not that it's locked down, it's that this Windows RT devices use mobile chips, okay, mobile computer chips. That basically means that it's really impossible for it to run a full Windows application. It's not that it's locked down or somebody's put some sort of password or no. It's just that it literally physically can't run those programs because it has a mobile device chip. This is a mobile device. So that's everything that I wanted to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love Windows RT, as you can tell in this video. I hope that in the future it changes for the better and not for the worse, that features are not taken away from it. But we can only hope. So if you like this video, please share this video, like it, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.